Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the highly anticipated iPad Pro M5 2025, Apple's most powerful and advanced tablet to date. We'll explore exclusive leaks, M5 chip performance, the OLED display, Apple Pencil 3, Magic Keyboard updates, iPadOS 19 AI features, price predictions, and the all-important release date. If you love Apple tech and want to stay ahead of the curve, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get into it. iPad Pro M5 overview. The iPad Pro M5 is rumored to be a massive leap forward. With Apple finally introducing OLED displays, a brand new M5 chip, and upgraded accessories, the M5 iPad Pro will redefine what a tablet can do. Let's break down each major feature one by one. M5 chip. The heart of this device is the all-new M5 chip. It's expected to be built on a second Gen 3 nanometers process, offering improved efficiency and performance. The CPU and GPU are rumored to be up to 25% faster than the M4. With better thermal regulation and extended battery life, AI, performance is expected to skyrocket with a new 40-core neural engine built specifically for iPadOS 19's on-device machine. Learning. OLED display. Apple is finally saying goodbye to mini LED and moving to tandem OLED technology. Expect deeper blacks, 1600 plus nits, peak brightness, thinner bezels, 120 Hz promotion support. Improved power efficiency. This will make the iPad Pro M5 perfect for HDR content, gaming, and creative tasks. Apple Pencil 3. The Apple Pencil 3 is expected to launch alongside the iPad Pro M5. Rumored features: haptic feedback, new pinch gestures, replaceable tips for different drawing textures, magnetic pairing support for Find My tracking. This could be a game changer for digital artists and note takers. Magic Keyboard. Apple's Magic Keyboard is also getting a redesign. The 2025 version might include aluminum base for a MacBook-like experience. Larger trackpad with haptic feedback function, key row thinner. Lighter hinge system. This could make the iPad Pro M5 a true laptop replacement for many users. iPadOS 19. The software is just as exciting. iPadOS 19 is expected to bring on device AI features like auto summarization, smart app suggestions, voice-controlled multitasking. Improved Stage Manager, more desktop-class apps. The M5 chip will unlock the full potential of these upgrades. Cameras and LiDAR are expected dual camera system, 12MP wide, 10MP ultra-wide. Upgraded LiDAR scanner. Apple is focusing on AR. Spatial content, and even spatial video capture for Apple Vision Pro compatibility. Gaming and pro apps with the M5 chip and OLED screen. Apple is pushing the iPad further into gaming. We might see AAA games like Resident Evil 4 Remake, external controller support, full versions of Final Cut Pro and Logic Pro with zero compromise. Battery and thermals. The OLED panel combined with the M5 chip should improve battery life by 15 to 20%. Apple is also redesigning the thermal system for longer performance under load. Storage. Connectivity and models expected 11-inch and 13-inch OLED iPad Pro M5 storage, 256 GB, up to 2 TB, Wi-Fi 6 East, and optional 5G, Thunderbolt 4, and USB-C. Price and release date. Expected pricing: 11-inch, starting at $109,913 inch, starting at $1,299 expected release. Spring 2025, likely during Apple's March or April event. And that's everything we know so far about the iPad Pro M5. What are you most excited about, the OLED screen, the new M5 chip, or Apple Pencil 3? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.